Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Changing the carbon brushes in your KitchenAid mixer can significantly enhance its performance. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, gather the necessary tools. You will need a screwdriver, preferably a Phillips head, a pair of pliers, and a clean cloth for dusting. Having these tools ready will make the job smoother and more efficient. Begin by unplugging your mixer to ensure safety. Once it's unplugged, flip it over to access the bottom. You'll notice several screws. Use your Phillips screwdriver to remove these screws carefully. Keep them in a small container to avoid losing any. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the base cover. Be cautious as there may be some dust accumulated inside. Use your clean cloth to wipe away any debris. This step is important as a clean environment will help in the smooth operation of your mixer. Now, locate the carbon brushes. These are typically situated near the motor. They resemble small rectangular blocks. If you notice signs of wear or damage, it's time to replace them. If you're unsure about the condition of your brushes, remember that we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can get expert advice without any commitment. To remove the old brushes, use your pliers to gently pull them out. Be careful not to damage any surrounding components. Once they are out, compare them to your new carbon brushes to ensure they are the correct size. If you don't have the tools or the confidence to do this yourself, we provide pickup and delivery at your home, making the process hassle-free. Next, insert the new carbon brushes. Make sure they fit snugly and are positioned correctly. This is crucial for the optimal functioning of your mixer. Once they are in place, replace the base cover and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Before testing your mixer, give it a thorough cleaning again. This helps ensure that any dust particles from the replacement process do not interfere with its operation. If you need it, we can assist with cleaning and maintenance as part of our services. After cleaning, plug in your mixer and turn it on to check if it's functioning properly. If you encounter any issues, remember that we can provide a quote before repair, helping you understand any potential costs up front. Congratulations, you have successfully changed the carbon brushes in your KitchenAid mixer. Regular maintenance like this can prolong the life of your appliance and ensure it runs efficiently. If you feel uncertain at any step, don't hesitate to reach out for professional help. No calls, no travel, just simple, effective service. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.